After a long wait, here is the most awaited event of the year, Expo 2020. एक्सपो 2020 का इंतज़ार हुआ ख़त्म और एक स्पार्कलिंग इवेंट के साथ एक्सपो हो गया शुरू. Come for the greatest global gathering in history with more than 190 countries and cultures under one roof. So let's visit the Expo 2020 together and let's make our world more clean, green, and more livable. So our coming generations will have a happy, healthy, and blessed life. It's our time.
Who are you?
I am Thai from Bangkok.
Look, let's join them. Please come dance with us. Come on. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Whoa! Yay! Don't forget to give a very big applause to our performers. Now it's the photo competition.
Hello, welcome to the second call of Thailand Pavilion. We're about to begin soon. Please get into your position, both way around. very high. Please stand on the stair. If you are ready, let's get started.
Baik, bismillah. Ini lepas dulu guys. Oh, sudah kan? Oh, jangan kita betul jangan. Kamu boleh jangan Thailand ras boleh. Oh, baik.
history, water was at the center of life, which allows us to connect with each other and the world. We've always loved to exchange knowledge and culture.
And also to trade, so Thailand became a center for the region. Today, more than ever before, Thailand serves as an important hub.
Let us show you more about Thailand.
Follow us here on your right to get on board our drone.
Let's go!
Thank you for visiting. Next, please follow our rat and Mali to the dirt hole. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Isa is one side. Lihat, welcome. Come to on three, this coming side. Coming side first. Lihat, on three.
Bali? Do you see that robot? That is the doctor. It's controlled by a real doctor who is in Chiang Mai, another Thai smart city. Really? Yes, it's long-distance surgery with 5G infrastructure.
Enjoy this show next to the wall.
Thailand is a unique time.
So now you know why visitors fall in love with our country.
Right, and some of those visitors decide never to leave. They live in Thailand for good.
Let's look at some stories of foreigners who stayed.
I am here because of Muay Thai. Muay Thai is more than a sport for me. Muay Thai is more than martial art for me. Muay Thai is my life.
Oh, it's amazing. For me, I first came to Thailand to eat and to travel. Just as excited about the spicy, the balance, and the diversity of Thai food.
Wow. I came to Thailand with my family 58 years ago. And I've never regretted that decision that I chose to stay in Thailand.
I was delighted to receive the Prince Pavilion Award. It was a fantastic recognition of the achievements. I am a great admirer of the Thai health system, that everyone can get access to good care.
I'm locally in so many countries, but I decided to study my business in Thailand because I believe in the country potential.
I always dreamed of retiring here since I first visited in 1994. So we retired and moved here, and it was the best decision we ever made.
مملكة تايلاند بلد جميل جدا. لا يكمن صحراء في طبيعته أو في أماكنها الأثرية. يكمن في طيبة الشعب التايلاندي.
Thai people are what brought me here, and that's what keeps me here. It gives me this deep sense of comfort, and I just couldn't imagine living anywhere else.
أينما كنت ما تشعر بالغربة أبدا، تشعر كأنك في منزلك.
Thai people have not only shared with me their amazing food, but also the value of eating together.
I want to thankful my Thai friend and Thailand to become what I am today.
अगर आपको ये ब्लॉग इंफॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा और हमेशा की तरह मेरे और चैनल को सपोर्ट और मोटिवेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा ताकि आप चैनल से जुड़े रहें और आगे आने वाले ढेरों एक्सपो 2020 के वीडियो अपलोड होते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। अगर आपका कोई भी सवाल या फीडबैक हो या एक लाइन अप्रिशिएशन का लिखना चाहें तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स ज़रूर यूज़ करें। मुझे आपके कमेंट्स का इंतज़ार रहेगा। सो टिल नेक्स्ट।